Greetings and welcome to Season 4 of The Oracle! I am the titular Goblin Wizard, come from an alternate dimension to bring wisdom to this one. Joining me in the control room is my video producer, a troll on the internet, but not an internet troll, Frankie!
Hey everyone, Season 4, here we go. We finally got there. Hey Oracle, how you doing, kid? How was your holiday break? You doing anything special?
Oh, well, what with everyone being broke unless you're extremely rich, and therefore travel was not an option, and looking around at the state of the world and seeing how awful it was, I thought the best way I could spend a pleasant holiday is hiding under a blanket and screaming.
Oh yeah? Wow, what a coincidence. I spend my holiday break hiding under a blanket and screaming too. Hey, what kind of blanket do you use for the hiding under and screaming?
I have a lovely big duvet, very comfortable and muffles sound well. Didn't bother my neighbors at all with all the screaming. And you?
Well, I got a special blanket for hiding under and screaming. It's an antique family quilt handed down through the generations. You know, trolls live a long time, and my family has seen a lot of history. Every time I hide under it screaming, I feel connected to all those ancestors who also hid under it screaming.
Well, that's very nice. So, what do we do now? We're still waiting for Gus to submit his proposal on the rework of the show.
Yeah, well, let me see. Guess we could, catch up on the gaming and tech news that we both missed while we were hiding under a blanket and screaming. I mean, there's probably not going to be a lot there that will make us want to hide under a blanket and scream.
Yes, very good. That should be a pleasant, jovial distraction from all of the things that make us want to hide and scream.
Okay, let's see here. It says, Microsoft CEO Satya Nadella wants people to stop calling the output of generative AI models slop. As a result, the term Microslop was trending on social media. So, you got any thoughts about Microslop?
Microslop, did you say? Did you say Microslop?
Yeah, that's right. Microslop.
Microslop. Microslop. It's funny, there's just something about that makes you want to keep repeating it. Microslop.
Yeah, I know. Microslop. Microslop.
Microslop. All right, look. It's no secret that we here at Operation Puppet have a less than favorable view of the way in which large language models have been misused by dishonest and manipulative people. However, Mr. Nadella is an extremely rich and therefore probably very intelligent person, and we should respect what he says. We should engage in a more cerebral criticism of his company and refrain from such juvenile humor. I, therefore, will not be using the term Microslop to refer to his company any longer. I will call it, as per Mr. Nadella's wishes, Micro something.
What's the matter?
I've said Microslop so many times it's all I can think of now. It's pushed the original name of the company right out of my brain.
Oh, come on, it's one of the biggest companies in the world. How could you possibly forget the name of Microslop?
You just said it too.
What? No, I didn't. I said Microslop. Oh, I said it again. I said Microslop when I meant to say Microslop. Oh boy. Okay, what are we gonna do? We gotta remember what the original company was called, not Microslop. If we keep repeating Microslop, it's going to find its way into the algorithm, then search engines will pick it up, that'll get scraped by AI bots, and then Microslop Copilot will start referring to Microslop as Microslop. And that will make Satya Nadella cry. Let me see. I know. I'll look at my operating system and, oh, wait. No, we switched to Linux because Microslop Windows became, too full of slop. Microslop.
Microslop. No, that's wrong.
Okay, look. How about this? Let's try and remember what the original company name meant, and that might jog our memory. Satya Nadella commands it.
Ah, yes. An excellent mnemonic device, my fine furry friend. Commence.
Okay, micro is definitely correct. That we know for sure. And that means like tiny. The second part meant something like the opposite of hard. Oracle, you got a big vocabulary. Give me a synonym for the opposite of hard.
Well, let's see. The opposite of hard is, flaccid?
Right. So, that means the original name of Microslop meant tiny and flaccid. Tiny and flaccid. I'm going to keep calling it Microslop.
Microslop it is.